Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on do not disturb in your Motorola phone. Guys, you want to on your do not disturb, so guys you can on. And guys, now let's see how to on do not disturb in our Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys, now let's start the video. First of all, open your phone setting to on your do not disturb. Guys, click on the sound setting and guys scroll. Do not disturb, tap here, turn on now. So your do not disturb will on in your Motorola phone. So are you friends, you have understood how to on do not disturb in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.